Alright guys, what is up? We are back working on Jackson's car. So we have the turbo mounted so far. We got a lot of stuff to do. We're gonna just kind of clean everything up and make sure we have, I guess, everything done. So we're just gonna take you through the process of what we do, and we'll get to today's video. Alright guys, so as you can see, the turbo has been mounted. Oops. It's on right now. I don't even know what manifold this is. I guess this is a 2.3 liter Ford manifold, I'm pretty sure, from like a Focus. But basically it's top mounted right now, already bolted down. The downpipe is ready to be bolted in. We have the wastegate down below that's also mounted. It'll be kind of hard to see. We'll see if I can zoom in and get it. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the wastegate is mounted down below. So we have to do the intercooler piping, make sure the oil drain is chilling, and then anything else really? O2 sensor and a few other little things. Heck yeah. It's gonna be hot, dude. Alright guys, Jackson is putting on the O2 sensor onto that catless downpipe. My old actually catless downpipe. Dude, I'm never making a downpipe again either. That was not fun. Mine's still not perfect, and it was horrible. That's for sure, at least not without a TIG welder. There we go. Come on man, get that sensor in there. Alright guys, while Jackson is working on the car, I wanted to just let you guys know that we have so much more content coming for Speed 6s, and we're trying to up the quality. Okay, as you guys can tell, I'm on this new gimbal. It's like a Crane M or something, and so far it's been awesome. Still trying to get used to it and everything, but as you can tell, it is steady. Yeah, you might have to put on the turbo first. There we go. So the easiest way that we found was a 90-degree coupler right on the turbo, and then you can use pretty much any other intake. I think, do you know what intake this is?
Cork Sports something.
Yeah, we don't really know, but both his intake and my intake are different intakes, and they both do fit this. Mine was pretty tight putting that in, but looks like it should clear like the high pressure fuel pump and everything and bend right over perfectly. Alright guys, so to make room for the intake right here, we are going to be removing this little plate. It just holds like some of the wires in place, so it's not too important. We'll just be relocating the wires anyways and tucking them, so this plate is not necessary at all. Weight reduction, yo. But yeah, we're gonna be removing this whole like plate right here and making some room. Oh, like woo. It's nothing. All right guys, we broke this little plate off so that our intake could fit as well. Thanks for cutting that and breaking it off. This little bracket we just bent so that it would remount, kind of using the same location. I don't know what this thing even is for, probably. Is that the right way?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. But it's basically just like some sensor that needs to be grounded, I believe, and it grounds right there. I'll show you guys once it's put in. Heck yeah. Cut the hole. Alright guys, it is crazy hot out here. Feels, I don't know, feels at least 90. It's pretty freaking hot. It's basically summertime, so subscribe guys, subscribe for us. Just working out here, working hard on this. Also, check out this gimbal that I just got. Hopefully the lighting's not too bad. Oh. Yep, definitely hard to see, but basically we got a gimbal that is way more steady, as you can tell. As you can see, I just ran with the gimbal and it's way steadier. So don't worry guys, all of the quality will be going up from here on out, as well as We have so much more to come. Look at this huge turbo. We are installing the downpipe right now. It's just a V-band. As you know, I'm a huge fan of V-bands because they're so easy to work with. Well, in theory, they're so easy to work with. They're kind of a pain sometimes, I can tell you that. And then we have the intake almost finished right now. Like I said before, we have that 90-degree coupler, and then we just need to throw some hose clamps on there and connect the MAF, and we'll be chilling. Connecting the MAF.
It has to be like this.
Okay guys, so the mass airflow sensor is now pretty much connected. We have the intake connected, as well as we have the downpipe connected. The turbo's mounted and everything. We will have a step-by-step guide on how to big turbo swap, but it's kind of been done a couple times now, so there's a lot of good forums. We'll definitely throw a video out there once we have the car running. We'll be able to take it apart and show you guys exactly how to do it, but I do have a few videos on my channel, so check out how to install it.